I'll just tell it to the judge. I hear people in court saying that all the time. Now, in order to get in front of the judge, you've either pled guilty to something, perhaps unknowingly, not quite understanding how the court system works, or you've been found guilty. What do lawyers do for people? Well, we explain how the court system works, and our number one job is to make sure you don't get screwed. I cannot believe the number of people that wander into court on a daily basis. Perhaps it's just a speeding ticket, but it could result in points that drive up your insurance rates for 3 years. It could prevent you from being able to afford to drive. It could take your license. Who knows? And when it's a serious criminal charge, or even one that doesn't carry jail time, but say is a violent crime, like simple assault, it carries at the most for a first offense $250 fine. Can't go to jail for it if you have no prior criminal history, unless you later violate your probation. But it makes you a violent criminal for the rest of your life. So again, I am amazed. DWI, take your driving privilege for a minimum of a year. Give you a record as a substance abuser. Think about it. And people wander in all the time. I say over and over, if you have a broken tooth, is your first thought to go to Lowe's, get an expensive pair of pliers and pull it? No, your thought is to go to a dentist. Well, if you get in legal trouble, your first thought ought to be to at least consult an attorney. Typically doesn't cost anything to place a phone call. It doesn't cost anything to place a phone call to me. I'm happy to talk to you and tell you what's going on, what you're facing, and then you can do the cost-benefit analysis and decide whether or not it's worth it. And then you'll have an advocate in court, because no one in that courthouse but your attorney is there for you. The prosecutor is there to prosecute you. The police officer is there to testify against you. And the judge is there to sit and hear the case and decide. Now, yes, the judge is an arbiter of the truth, but if you don't know what you're doing, who knows if you're going to get your truth forward? So again, that's what I'm here for. You can always call me. I'll always talk to you. All the best. God bless.